Welcome back, Remodelites. Dave with Remodel Media. I'm here in Orlando, Florida for 2026 KBIS. I'm talking to Nicolette from Moen. She's going to tell us what's latest and greatest. Nicolette, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
All right, how you liking the traffic in Orlando?
I'm from Chicago, so it's not too different.
Okay, all right. Now I see we've got our Magnetix Plus shower heads. I'm familiar with Magnetix. What is Plus?
So it's the same magnetic stocking system that you know today, but it's just a refined design, which includes our new 2-in-1 that you can see here, and we have a pivoting handheld that you can have.
Oh my good! Hold on.
Positions.
We're gonna do that again in slow mo here. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, that is so cool.
Yep, so you can have it in any position here, and in addition you can have the handhelds that removes. So you can have it in the rain shower and remove it, or down below. So this one is a little bit different, where you do actually have to release the handhelds just because of that pivoting aspect, otherwise it's going to be pulling right out. It has 6 spray functions as well, and comes across pretty much all of our finishes.
A Smythe bath suite.
So Smythe Bath Suite is a tailored traditional. You can see some fluting aspects to the different designs here on the one handle lab, and then here also on the widespread. And it is a tailored traditional. And for this you will see our bronzed gold finish here.
All right, now this is, how new is this finish? Because I don't know that I've seen it before. I've seen other various types of like brushed brass type of finishes. In fact, didn't Moen have? We
have a brushed gold as well, so that would be our BG, and then this is our BZG, which is our bronzed gold. So it's still relatively new within Moen. We had some launches this year, but Smythe will be launching with the brushed golds when it launches, which will be Q3 of this year.
Nice. And so what finishes will this collection be in? I assume chrome.
Yep, chrome, polished nickel, brushed nickel, bronzed gold, and black.
All right, no oil rub bronze.
Not that I believe at the top of my head, but I could be wrong.
All right, that's okay. Yeah, and they're always changing stuff too as the market demands. Speaking of market demands, what have you seen? I'm just curious because I've been doing this a long time. What have you seen the market demand for oil rub bronze being as it relates to plumbing fixtures?
I'm still fairly new to Moen and the industry, so I'm learning myself. I just keep hearing about the bronze golds. That's really what I keep hearing.
It is. The gold is where it's at the last couple of years, I've noticed. So, all right. Do you have anything else new this year to show us?
From the bath side, this is all I have.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. I hope you got some good information out of that episode. Go ahead and click here for more videos. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. And make sure you check out the description below for relevant links to some of the products that we discussed today. And leave your comments and questions down below because I love answering them. As always, I'll see you in the next one.